My name is Soham K. Patel from 6 Gamma Himalaya House.
My name is Yuvraj M. Parmar from 6 Alpha Aravali House.
Today we are going to present a windmill which takes the energy from the air and converts into electricity and gives the electricity to this house.
The spare parts that used in this model are
One motor, one fan, one wire, one motor, one fan, one battery, 4 wires, a light, two switches. We can show you, for example, see how the windmill takes the energy from the air and converts into electricity and gives the energy to this home. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Namaste. My name is Shlok Archit Shah of 6th Alpha. As you can see, this is my science project of light travels in a straight line. As you can see, I have used one torch, 3 CDs and many clips. As you can see, when the CDs are in the straight line, the light is passing through it. When as you can see this, when I will pull it, what's happened, the shadow is formed to the back and light is gone. When I will push it back, the CDs are in the straight line, so light is visible on the back side, as you can see. Thank you.
Good evening, I am Vidansh Tamboli from 6th Gamma and today I am going to be presenting the working of a wind turbine. So this is the model of a wind turbine. When the wind passes through the blades experiences a lift due to the aerodynamic airfoil shape. Due to the lift produced, the blades move and start rotating. The rotation of the blades generates wind energy. It is then converted into kinetic energy with the help of a DC motor connected to the fan. The kinetic energy helps the bulb to glow. You can see the bulb is glowing inside the house. Conclusion. Wind energy is a natural source of energy which can be used to create electricity. Thank you.
My name is Kunal Lar from 6th Gamma. Today I am going to do experiment on chromatography. We need water, sanitizer, sketch pen, chalk and paper. First we will pour some water in dish. Then we will add some sanitizer. And mix it well. Then we will make line on the chalk. Then we will place it in the water. After few seconds, our observation will be that the one particular sketch pen color separates in many color. This is because in chromatography Many compounds in one mixture get separated. Like this. We can also do it on paper, chalk and tissue paper. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends,
We have made a model of candy vending machine for science exhibition. When we will push this button, the candy will come out. We have got the candy. The same process in second we will get, and the same process in this. We have got the candy.
in this the force is applied. If we will push, so candy will come.
This is the inner part
of
the candy.
We will push it the button.
So
That-
we
so
will
will the
get
the candies. And this same process in this also.